Tia, T, and topic video.
Me, but not this me, then me I really wanna.
What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, Tia Topics. I am Tia, and today's topic is going to be eyeshadow. Today I'm going to be creating an eyeshadow look. I don't know what it's gonna look like yet, but I know it's gonna consist of about 3 colors. Let's see what happens. This video is for beginners by a beginner. Perfect. Let's see what happens today. I'm going to be using a few products today. The products that I'm going to be using, I'm going to show you right now. NICKA K Nude, Perfect 32 Colors, Smashbox Full Exposure, some tape, Sephora Waterproof Eyeliner, e.l.f. Mineral Infused Mascara, a blending brush, and e.l.f. Highlighter Concealer. To start, I place the tape where I would like my eyeshadow to end. I proceed to add the highlighter onto my eyelid, not rubbing it in, just patting it onto my eyelid. I apply a double layer of this and then allow it to dry quite a bit before applying the eyeshadow. I begin the eyeshadow color with the black. I rub it in, tap the excess off, then pat it down lightly onto the corner of my eye. I make sure to wipe off my brush in between colors so that I don't have any mixtures. I then add a brown onto the crease of my eye. Next, I add a silver into the corner of my eye, just patting it down very lightly over and over again. Next is the yellow. I tap that right into the center of the black and the silver, making sure to slightly touch over each corner of it so that it blends a little. Then I go over it again, blending it even more, making sure again to rub off any eyeshadow in between every step. I add this color onto the crease of my eye where I previously added the brown for extra pop. Now that I have the base of the look, I just go over each color with some more eyeshadow. I'm working with fairly cheap eyeshadow because I'm a beginner. Perfect. So I have to add a little bit more than if you would have a more expensive eyeshadow palette. I thought it needed something else, so I'm just going to add this white right into the very corner of my eye, just lightly pressing over the same spot several times to get the look that I am trying to achieve. After I have done that, I blend it in to make sure that I have no very straight lines. At this point, I'm satisfied with what I have created, so I'm just going to go ahead and start the eyeliner. To start my eyeliner, I do the outline of where I want my eyeliner to end, and then I fill in the middle, making sure to press down that tape so that I get an extremely straight line once I pull the tape off. I go over the eyeliner a couple of times so I can really get a sharp, bold, black look. Now I have a pretty straight look, but I go over the end of the eyeshadow look with a little bit of foundation, making sure that it is completely straight. I rub it in with my eyebrow brush. Then I go over it with my blending sponge so that it blends nicely into the rest of my makeup. So now for the hardest part, trying to create it on the other side. This is the final look. It looks fairly even, but it's not completely even. The left side is a little more round than the right side is, but that's okay. I am a beginner. I'll just do better next time.
Perfect.
Okay, there you have it. This is the final eyeshadow look. It took some time, but I think it came out good. And I hope you guys were able to follow along with me. I try to be as detailed as possible with this video. I really hope to see you guys in my next one. Have a wonderful day. Later, y'all. Hey, and don't forget to follow me on social media so that you can know when new videos are posted. This video has been brought to you by DDNT Entertainment.